Alright guys, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you with a really simple but really convenient method of creating a like the real first person shooter sort of like experience, and especially got a timeline, got a cutscene kind of feeling. You can do that with ease. Okay, so first let's go back to our game, and let's create more terrain than that. Okay, so we got just one terrain here, and what I'm going to do, I want to extend the terrain. Okay, so I want to add that to the left a little bit, because right now it's a little bit flat. Okay, so let's do that. Let me just add some dummy terrain, and then I'm going to make some raise or lower terrain. Just got some irregular shape, and I'm going to make its size really big so I can quickly paint a lot of terrain. And here's a quick trick, is that you can make the really far away mountain really high, so you don't you sort of just make it like a fake environment that the player won't able to see through all that. So got really high, higher and higher, so won't be able to see that. Okay, so if you are say here, and you got, normally the player won't be this high. Okay, it'll be much lower than, so for example we got a spaceship. Okay, and let's go to 0 0 0, just settle back to 0, and got a rotation back to 0. Okay, and rotation 0. Okay, and of course you can focus on that here. Okay, so we got approximately here. Okay, and of course you can control it. I already attached the original controller to the to our guy, and oh yeah, we got automatically animation here, and after the animation you can absolutely fly, and after that you won't be able to see the end of the world because we got a lot of mountains, so probably you got a mountain here. Okay, so it's just a quick trick to fake mountains. So for example you can extend the terrain by I'm not going to use this terrain as the final one. It's just a quick demo, because I definitely shouldn't make a really big terrain like this. Okay, it can mess up with the rendering, and pretty quickly. Okay, so I'm going to do something like this, so you got really high, and increase the strength just to make it really high. Okay, so just like enclose the player inside. Okay, and we can quickly let's try this again, right? So let's first save the terrain, and okay, even though I moving up, still you won't be able to see the end of the world, and you can move forward, and still what you're seeing is the mountain is not like here, like the sky. And of course we can change the skybox to do that. It's just a quick way to add things. And then of course you can paint the terrain, and then you can paint the texture, and I'm going to use the grassy land here, and so most of the terrain should have a like the grass feeling, okay? Especially if you've got like really far away, you should get a really grassy feeling. And let's add another, so maybe dry grass. Okay, or maybe dry grass. So basically just to mix a lot of different material, different texture, so won't get too monotone on one or two thing. And yeah, and I think at the top of it we got some mountains, snow. Okay, so we can add that as well. And of course you can blend it. You can make multiple as well. And we got this. Why just got one color palette? Okay, so we can do that. Add a little bit of snow there. Okay. Using the brush. Okay, so just add a little bit of snow at the top of the mountain. Just one click, you can add all that. And of course, you've got really far away places, you can do that as well. And then you can quickly paint all this say trees, grass, or all sort of thing. You can do that as well. So mainly I'm just going to paint the grass, and of course I think tree, we can also do that. Maybe tree like this. Okay, yeah, we got a lot of trees, definitely. Okay. But if you want to be really precise, you shouldn't paint trees on top of the mountain because it's a little bit weird. But I just want to quickly fake it. Okay, so let's play and test it out. Okay, it's definitely will have a lot of strain on your computer. But here is a demo of why you need really high spec computer if you don't use it. So I'm going to use it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, pretty good. Okay, so I think I might as well not plant a tree at the top of the mountain because that would be a little bit weird. It's better just without trees. But yeah, so you can do something like using the preset route to avoid that as well. So you can we got the timeline here. Okay, so each of timeline we got this like a key point of here. Okay, so we got key point here, and of course you can change that. We already recalled that previously, but now we're going to change that. And by the way, if you want to delete the animation, you just double click this icon and double click, and you delete that in the animator. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to share with you guys another technique. Is that you are going to use the first person view. So for example, you got this spaceship, say here, which is not what I want. So what I want is that I'm trying to make it say landing as here. Okay, so just as a completely different places, and they move around a little bit and then encounter this monster and then just fly away. Okay, So what I'm going to do is to double click this spaceship so I can actually get down here. Okay, and I think I might need to lift it up a little bit. And because it's a spaceship, I'm going to just get rid of the gravity and let's zoom in a little bit. I think maybe I need to lift it up. Okay, and I'm going to left click so I can like enter the words in your first person view, and of course you are holding shift, you can go quickly. I think maybe I need to lift it up a lot, so I think the playing height is 500, so double click. Yeah, I think sorry, should go to 0 so it got its original position, and then okay, let's double click the spaceship. It's definitely too high, so 0 0 0. Let's just make it okay, so here, and so right now we're at approximately here, still a little bit far. I like it to be a little bit far away from, okay, maybe starting from this place. Okay, and I think that's pretty good. Can I lift it up? Because right now I did not seem to see. That's a little bit weird. Okay, I got it. So maybe I need to lift the spaceship up using his parents. Okay, just a little bit, then I'll be able to see it. Okay, so I'm going to place one part of the left, the other part of the right, so I can see where it goes. Okay, so let me move approximately to the back of our, yeah, let's just click play so I can ascertain the direction. Okay, we don't need to be on full maximized display, but rather focused. Okay, as you guys can see, we already got this animation gravity all deleted, so I can test it from here. Okay, so everything is working. So what I'm going to do is to use another technique that can quickly snap the spaceship. Okay, we got the spaceship here. We can quickly snap it to a place. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to first need to know where you are. Okay, so you can just zoom it out and quickly ascertain that you are at here. So once you know that you are at this place, you can just snap it by click the spaceship, game objects, and align with view. So it will snap to the place like this. Okay, since the recording, so it will automatically record that you're at this place, and then maybe 5 seconds later you will just go to left click, and then you can like moving crossing all the trees, something like that. And I don't know where I am, in fact, maybe here. Okay, so then you can snap, align with the view. So you just snap it here. Okay, and then maybe a few seconds later, you can just roaming around using this method. Okay, I'm trying to find where the maybe here. Okay, so then snap it at this, align with view, and then I'm trying to go to the place where, okay, so then is the time we actually see this guy. Okay, so I can go further away, right? So maybe at maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds later, you continue to fly. Remember, you need to choose a space shape. Okay, continue to move forward, so we actually saw this, and we can snap the game object here, and then maybe a few seconds later we'll continue to move forward and snap to here. Okay, so you just give it a really tense feeling. Okay, and then we are going to quickly rotate ourselves. Okay, so you can just rotate it, maybe quickly rotate it here. Okay, and you can quickly align with the view. Okay, so it can also count as a go, and then maybe then I'm going to fly above, or maybe here. Okay, so just make a quick snapping action, and then you can start play around with this. Okay, so let me go to terrain, so really far away, and let's see the results. Okay, so you can look at right here, and you also at the left you can see how the animation goes. So wow, ooh, left and right. Then roaming all the way to our monster. Okay, and I think I got the animation of looking up and quickly fly away. Yeah, something like that. And of course you can fine tune that. So for example, if you think it's flying too slow, you can just adjust the keyframe. So you got the more, the time between this keyframe to this keyframe. You maybe think that hey, it's definitely too much of the time. You can just make it much more condensed. Okay, so I can just click and move to make the movement really crazy, and everything just will be achieved in a very short time. Okay, so you can just condense everything here. Okay, and you can absolutely do that. So you got a really snappy and quick animation. So let's see. So quickly fly here, and then our monster, and quickly fly away, something like that. Yeah, you can do a lot of things because I really love this first person kind of view that can give you a lot of you know, um, you know like the real first-hand experience, and I think that's great for a creative process. Okay, so yeah, I think that's already pretty long. Sorry about that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I got a code with William Jamming where I share my building of games and learn the art, where I learn art as well as make the asset for the game. I learn music free where I learn music and make music and make the background music for the game. Okay, so thank you so much for support, and I will see you next video. Bye.